Okay. This is my first video for the Cloudcroft Trail channel. This is Schofield Canyon in the Bluff Springs area. And I'm just going to give you a look-see as to what it looks like. I guess they got a, it's also T5007. So we're doing Schofield Canyon, and I guess they don't want us to go over that other part there. That's why they have a log, huh? All right. Always rocky in Cloudcroft. Checking. Whoa, woo. Those rocks kind of funny, didn't they? Okay. This first part is always rocky. Whee! Schofield Canyon. Pretty in here. Okay, this is where you can go left to keep going on Schofield Canyon, or there's a kind of bypass that gets over to Benson Canyon here to the right. Okay, so let's keep going up Schofield Canyon. T5007A. This little meadow here. A little bit fewer rocks, at least for the time being. That is good. As you can probably see, I'm a 63-year-old retired guy. Used to ride bikes when I was a kid. Retired on the Clacroft area, and I have a lot of good times out here on the road, but my primary goal is to enjoy the beauty and not hurt myself. Which probably many of you also. Ooh, that's a big rock. And of course, get some exercise. Rocky out here. Riding my trusty 300RR Beta 2-stroke. Haven't had a 2-stroke since I was a teenager. These modern 2-strokes are amazing. Helps the possible stall. Lots of power, and you can really modify the power with the needles and jets. And a power valve, of course, which is a wonderful thing. These Key and carburetors, I can pretty much pick one set of jets, and it'll run fine everywhere we got here. 5,000 to 9,600. It's probably closer to 6,000 where I ride. And probably mostly 7,500 and up. Cut it down for us. Elk. All right. Hey guys. All right. Now we're almost up to the Ridge Road. Now we're on 5007. Still little rocky, but a little bit more traveled here. Getting up to the top here. Okay. Trail shortcut. That one is not for us. So we're going to Benson Ridge Road at FR 223 right up here. Flat up here, we're basically at the top. We're going to meet up at the Ridge Road somewhere here. That's the intersection with Benson Springs Road, I mean Benson Canyon Road, I believe. We'll come up that another time. It might be on 233. Okay. Here's 223, so we'll end this recording.